Let me show you what we can find inside the box of Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. I'm gonna show you what accessories do we get and how the phone looks like, so let's get right into it. I still didn't unpack the phone, so this is my first opening. Of course, we have a paper box in here. We also have the phone itself, which we're gonna take a look at just in a second. But for now, let me actually put this aside. For now, we're just gonna take a look what accessories do we get inside, what we can find inside. So from the back of here, we can open this box quite easily. And of course, we can find the SIM eject tool, which is used to eject the SIM tray. Inside, we can also find the USB cable. It is USB-A to USB-C, which is typical still for Xiaomi, Poco, and Redmi. These are pretty much the same brands, of course, and they use the same cable. Besides that, we have some papers, of course, where we can find the safety information. We can also find a quick guide and some information about the battery, the IP rating, and so on and so forth. And of course, we also have an example case, protective case that we can immediately use with our phone. There is also a QR code, which I believe is used to redirect ourselves to the Redmi website. Alright, so now we're gonna take a look at the phone. And as you can see, this is how the phone looks like. I got the leather-like brown color, which is not really a real leather, of course. This is like a eco leather or something like that. So I believe this actually has two different names. This is what I could find. It can be called silicone polymer back or just an eco leather, something like that. And of course, this is how the front looks like, nothing really unusual. On the right side, we can find our buttons, the power button and both volume buttons. There is nothing on the left side. At the top, we can find the speaker and I believe this is a microphone. I don't think this is IR blaster, although I would have to verify that, but it seems, I believe the IR blaster is actually not available on this phone. And at the bottom, we have the, of course, USB-C port, speakers, microphone, and the SIM tray. So that's about it. Subscribe to my channel.